Hello, welcome to the new channel. This is the Light Portal 2.0. And my name is Heather. I have been expressing what they call light language since 2013 when it spontaneously started. And over the last over a decade, I've been cultivating and attempting to understand and and also understand what my role is here on the planet. And it seems like this keeps coming up, so I need to listen to my intuition and share these messages and these transmissions for the greater good in whatever way they support you, whatever they support me. I feel heard, expressed, and honored to be able to share these light transmissions on this platform now, and see how they resonate for you, see if they uplift you, see if they shift something inside of you. Play and engage with each other, and make this a more normalized way of communicating, and to also bring higher frequencies or faster frequencies of information in our consciousness so that we can attune to them and express them for the world, for the entire evolution of this planet. So I'm coming to you as I tap in, and I will give you a short transmission now to welcome the other beings that want to allow me to express and convey their gratitude for your presence. Sometimes the sound is accompanied by attunements with mudras. Remember that we are all transmitting frequencies and expressions that resemble echoes of ourselves. As I do this in my own field, you have access to these same shifts in yours. It is always my intention to bring the highest beneficialist, if that's a word, information and sound and movements for you. And I open to trust, conscious receptivity, alignment, and the ability to release that which does not serve for your greatest and highest expression on this planet. We thank you for joining us today and every day. May the vacuum be with you, as Herman would say. I'll see you soon.